Hey, this is Larry at ManCave Mayhem. Hope you enjoy this video. I had an opportunity to do a little collaboration with my brother-in-law while we went on our scooter trip in Washington. Take a look at it. He's got a great YouTube channel. He's also got a great Instagram account. So I'll include those links below. And I hope you enjoy the video. We got episode 3 of our West Coast scooter trip coming up soon. So stand by. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, guys. So we're in Longview, Washington, right?
That's correct, yes.
And I'm with Woodden.
Yep. Hi, how's it going?
I want you guys to check his channel out. He does a lot of cool projects. A lot of people that can't get out or don't want to get out and just want to do some woodworking and stuff. He's got some great easy projects and some more challenging projects, and he shows you how to do it on his channel. So I recommend that if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to his channel, make sure you click the button below and subscribe. You'll love it. He's a good dude. And I'm kind of partial to him because he's my brother-in-law. So that's just the way it is. So
Larry, what is ManCave Mayhem?
Well, we kind of do all kinds of stuff because I can't really focus on one thing at a time. So, you know, we have climbing videos, we have scooter videos, we do, you know, a lot of scooter rides, motorcycle rides. I have some how-to videos, but the reality of it is I'm not really focused on any one thing. But I just feel like old guys like us need to have hobbies to keep our minds active and keep us having fun. So that's kind of the way it is. That's just the way we do it.
That's the way it is. And you know, you don't need a lot of space. You don't need a lot of things.
No.
I've got a very small area here. Small
area, but he gets a lot done and he has some cool projects. Look at, I'm going to show you just with the camera, his work area. And it's really, he gets so many cool projects done through this. And Washington's a good place to get some really cool wood too, isn't it?
It is. It's a lot of fun. You can find some really neat different species of wood, and some of them are very, very pretty to work with.
Yes, absolutely. And, you know, being from California, you don't see a lot of driftwood, and all I saw coming up here was driftwood.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's probably junk wood to them, but to us, it's like, oh, driftwood. Oh, that's amazing.
No, it is amazing because there is so much you can do with that, and you can, you know, people look at that and they say, oh, it's just rotten. You know, it's rotted away. Well, there's so many ways that you can stabilize that wood, and then you can use it in woodworking projects, and that's what's fun about it, the challenging part about it.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I encourage you guys to like, share, and subscribe. And just remember, we're just men in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching, guys.
Thank you.